So for those of you that aren't up to date on my whole condo bathroom flooding situation, a few weeks ago I came home to water in flooding my bathroom, my bedroom, my closet. It was about 7 o'clock at night. And what had happened was the neighbors were doing a renovation next door and they broke a pipe. They didn't have the water turned off. Don't know why, but they didn't. And so now I'm dealing with mold remediation. So this is day one of tearing my place apart. And this is where my vanity was. This is my toilet, little toilet room. And this is my old 1974 need to be refinished shower. This is a blessing in disguise, because the bathroom and the kitchen are the last of the rooms that I haven't fixed up. Now I have a walk-in closet, and I had just finished that recently, but this was all flooded, so they took everything out of here today. So it's empty. They're gonna restore it to its original condition. All my closet units were brand new, so that was done recently. And most of them are over here in my bedroom. They've taken the doors off. I've got a pretty good sized mess. This is my master bedroom. But they're going to remove this linen closet and replace it. They're going to remove the toilet either tomorrow or Friday. I've bought a new toilet for them to put in its place. They've removed my vanity because it all had water damage. And they're going to rebuild the vanity. Rather than put the old top on, I bought a new top from Amazon that's made out of quartz that has an undermount sink. I had a glass mirror right here. I'm not sure if I'm going to replace that or not. We may just put that right back on. The lighting fixture I'm going to leave. That's pretty much it. My animals and I are staying in the office. Luckily, we've fixed that up recently. I've got the new counter. It's right here in my living room. I've got the new toilet. And the new counter cost me $690. I'll have a link in the description to show you what that looks like. And of course, you'll see it as it's installed. The counter was old. It was from 1974. It was old cultured marble that had been painted. The toilet is from 1974. It flushes about half the time, so I got a new toilet. And I'm not paying for any labor because they caused the damage, so they're gonna cover the labor of installing the new toilet because they have to take the old toilet off anyway, so when they put the toilet on, they would have had to put the old toilet on. So I've got a new toilet. While I was at it, I bought new faucets for the bathroom, and I bought a new faucet for the shower, because my shower faucet's actually broken, and I got a quote to refinish the shower. The shower is in rough shape. It had an old sliding glass door that I removed a while ago because it was nasty, and there's a lot of glue still down there, and it's kind of a beigey color. I'm gonna have that refinished, and they're gonna refinish the texture on that so it's all smooth. They're gonna make it white. And then I'll basically have a new bathroom because this old shower head that has a lot of corrosion is going to get replaced. The shower handle doesn't adjust the temperature anymore. I needed to get that fixed anyway. So the new shower fixtures is going to fix all of that. So this should look pretty good when they're done. And so I'm excited. This is what my closet looked like before the water damage. It was pretty well organized, still had some popcorn on the ceiling. I'll deal with that later. And my bedroom was in order. Now this video is not sponsored, but I did go with Kohler products for the toilet and the faucets because they've got a really good reputation. And I've seen a lot of other how-to videos that said Kohler are the only faucets that don't leak over time. My bathroom faucet was a little leaky, And so I did go with Kohler products, and I will let you know how I like them once they're installed. Hopefully I bought the right sizes, but we will see. So this is where we're at right now. We've already passed the asbestos. That was yesterday. They had everything taped off, and they have removed walls. Right. So they've started removing the flooring where it was water damaged in my master bedroom. And everything in my closet has been removed. Here's the closet area. They've removed the lower 12 inches of the drywall all around. They're redoing the flooring in here. This is the bathroom. They've removed all the flooring in here. They're going to replace the vanity, and I've got a new countertop, and I've ordered a new mirror. Today's Friday, so they're going to start work on this again on Monday. All the flooring has come in. There's going to be a guy replacing the vanity next week as well. So lots of demolition. This was my linen closet. You can see they've removed the drywall on both sides. It goes into my closet. So all of that's been removed. So no mold, no more water damage. They've got the plastic taped up on the other side. That's my neighbor's unit. And we've got it all sealed up so the cats can't get through to the other side. But I am keeping them out anyway. But that's what we're looking at. So believe it or not, this is a picture of progress. Dining room floor has been ripped out. Hallway floor has been ripped out. Don't have the plastic up anymore on the bedroom or the bathroom. They've got the drywall fixed. It's not painted yet or textured, but the drywall's up. This is what my bathroom looks like right now. I've got a new mirror, got a new vanity coming, got a new countertop, new faucets. This is the toilet and shower area. Most of the drywall is done here except for this little section down there. I can take a shower again at home, which is a lovely thing. They're going to come back tomorrow and do the floors, rebuild my linen closet, finish bedroom flooring. They've made progress in the closet. Drywall's done. It's not textured yet or finished off. Haven't put my closet pieces back together again, but they did a lot of work today. So I am happy with that. Making progress. Well, it's Tuesday, same week. The workers have redone most of my dining room. They've gotten rid of all my gaps. That was just a kindness on their part that this part wasn't affected by the water damage. They've done the hall, most of it. There's a little strip right here that they need to finish up. But the hall wasn't affected by the water damage either, so that's just them fixing gaps for me. And they were going to do some of the plumbing today, but both of my water shutoff valves are seized. So they've got a plumber coming tomorrow, and they're going to replace the hot and cold water shutoff valves because they're old and they're corroded and they're seized up. And then same thing in the toilet area. This water shutoff is also corroded and he was afraid to touch it. Otherwise they would have put in the new toilet today. But we've got a plumber coming in tomorrow and they're going to replace those valves and probably swap out my toilet. And if I'm lucky, I'll talk him into redoing the old shower also. So that is Tuesday's progress. Still living in quite a mess. Haven't done the closet yet, but that'll go together quickly. Fixing up the bedroom, that'll go together pretty quickly too. I think they'll have most of that done tomorrow. The plumbing just kind of slowed them down today. The guys are great though. I really, really appreciate them and all that they've been doing for me. Definitely grateful for that. And hopefully by Friday, I will have my condo back in order. Today was also my last day of radiation treatment, so I'm done with that. That is in the rear view now, and I'm very happy. What do you think, Butch? Are you happy? Are you a happy boy? Yes, he's a good boy. What about you, Betty? Are you a happy girl? Yeah. See you tomorrow. Well, it's Wednesday, and I wanted to quickly share the progress. We are done doing the flooring in the living room and dining room. The trim is pretty much done. They've got a little bit of trim on that wall that they're gonna come in and do tomorrow. They are coming back. I think they're gonna knock out the flooring tomorrow and possibly do the new toilet. The plumber just left and he replaced the shutoff valves in the bathroom vanity area. And he also replaced the shutoff valve down there, the toilet area, so that's all new. The shower is gonna have to wait. The new shower faucet that I bought from Home Depot, it was missing the valve. And the valve's pretty important. I went to Home Depot to exchange it. They didn't have it in stock. They had very little in stock to replace it with. And the things that were in stock were ugly. They were not gonna match. They weren't gonna work. So I just took the hint and I am holding off on the shower faucet for now. I did take back the one that was missing the valve and I got a refund on that. I'm gonna go forward with the bathroom vanity, and the dogs are happy to be out. We are making progress, pressing forward. Happy the workers are gone for the day. And we just are going to continue. Are you ready to see the progress that we've made on Thursday, week 2? Here we go. It's hard to tell, but the flooring is all done in the dining room and the living room. They've done most of the baseboards. This one's not done. They ran out of some of the materials. They're doing trim work now. We still need this installed. This is loose. You can see that right there. That is a transition piece. There's another one that needs to get installed here and there. They were working on some painting today. They're not done. Haven't made any progress in here. The new vanity is gonna come in on Saturday. There's been a delay on that. The mirror will go up here. The new toilet was installed, but it's rocking a little bit, so they're gonna work on that tomorrow and they're gonna caulk it. So new toilet's in. Baseboards are not done down here. They started putting the linen closet back together again. There's dirt and debris everywhere. Haven't mopped anything. The flooring is done in the closet. No baseboards up. They ran out of the door trim, so they had to buy more door trim, and then they're gonna paint all of this. New trim up here, new baseboards. They just ran out of materials in time. So that's what we're looking like. Doesn't look like a whole lot was done, but they were working their butts off all morning in here. So I appreciate every bit of help that they have done in here. And that's where we're at, end of Thursday. Well, it's been a couple days. Today is week 3, Tuesday afternoon, and we are done. The house looks pretty good. I've got my living room back. I still need to clean everything. There's still a lot of construction dust on the floors. I've got my dining room back. My baseboards are done. That was just extra. Those guys did that just to be nice. They redid my hall. I had done the dining room and they redid the floor because I had a lot of gaps. They did that just because they saw that I needed it. Same thing with the hallway. That's all done now. The transition pieces are all down. That's what the blue tape is. The blue tape is just holding them in place. And the bathroom is very pretty now. There is the bathroom. There's me. Look at my pretty new countertop. I got that from Amazon. It's quartz. There's my new bathroom faucet. It works. Didn't for a whole month. There's my new mirror. It's nice too. The blue tape was just so they put the right doors in the right spots. Got my new toilet up. Nothing's been cleaned or organized yet, but the new toilet's in place. Cabinets put back together in there. Hi, Smudgy. The bedroom is a wreck, but the furniture's put back. And the big things have been moved around. I just need to organize and get all of these items in these boxes organized and put back into my closet. And I'm gonna declutter before I do that. But they did put my closet back together again. So my closet is as it was. Nothing new here, just rebuilt. And I've got to empty all the boxes and put everything back where it belongs. It's gonna be so nice. It's gonna be so nice to sleep in the big bed tonight. I just have to clear it off. I don't know if I wanna sleep around all these boxes though, but little by little, we'll get it done. Construction, rebuilding is done, and I actually love it.